In the hilly region surrounding the Valley of Peace, a mysterious monk named Oogway appears on the horizon, promising to teach the art of Kung Fu to all the villagers. But the tiny village has no Kung Fu academy to house the monk. Without a place to show off his skills, Oogway will leave and take his talents elsewhere. In the face of this crisis, an unlikely hero emerges, a math professor called Shifu, who knows of an ancient Kung Fu academy carved into the nearby mountain. The edge of the mountain is represented by the linear equation 4x minus 3y equals k. Given that the Kung Fu academy lies on the mountain itself, the ordered pair denoting its coordinates will be a solution to the mountain's linear equation. Shifu knows that the x-coordinate of the academy is equal to 3, but cannot remember the y-coordinate. And so he sends Oogway up the mountain to collect some data. Oogway climbs to the top of the mountain, where the coordinates of his location are 6, 8. These coordinates must satisfy the equation of the line representing the edge of the mountain. If we feed this ordered pair into the equation, we can find the value of k. Putting x equal to 6 and y equal to 8 gives us 4 times 6 minus 3 times 8 equals k. On completing the arithmetic, we get 24 minus 24 equals k. This means that k is equal to 0, making the mountain's linear equation 4x minus 3y equals 0. The equation of this mountain passes through the origin. 4x minus 3y equals 0 can also be written as y equals 4x by 3. In general, we say that an equation of the form y equals mx, where m is any constant, represents a line passing through the origin. Using this equation along with the x-coordinate of the academy, we can calculate the missing value of the y-coordinate. If x equals 3 is where Shifu remembers the academy to be, then we say that y is equal to 4 times 3 divided by 3. In other words, y is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4 units. And so, the coordinates of our academy are 3, 4. Now that he has the correct coordinates, Shifu guides Oogway to the cavernous mountain Kung Fu Academy. This will be a perfect place for him to train the villagers. As always, thanks for watching, and see you next time.